Here are some tips for holding 3D printed parts while painting. I got these long Q-tips from Amazon. I also got some alligator clips. Then I clipped off the end of the Q-tip. And then we used some pliers to crimp it and attach the alligator clip to the end of the Q-tip. Now we have a way to hold small, delicate parts while we're airbrushing. Another great tip is to just take a wooden toothpick or a tongue depressor and just super glue it to a non-important part of the print. Then later you can just pull it off and sand down the leftover wood. Another great way is to take an old paintbrush, and you can actually just push that in and use that as a handle in your resin drain holes. Works great. The last tip I have for you guys is blue poster tack. This stuff works really great for holding small parts to a handle.